What up guys, it's Z1 Chris here, and today we're doing a install video on our Z1 Undershrouds. Today we're going to be installing it on a brand new Z. This one happens to be our giveaway car. Yeah, follow along, learn how this one's done. So here's a quick breakdown of the parts that we have. Of course, like all our Z1 products, we've got a brand new hardware kit, so don't have to worry about using any old parts. Everything is brand new in this bag. We have our first service panel here, which is really nicely made, easy access for your oil changes. The second part to this kit is the debris or rock panel. This is what's going to protect all the vitals under the engine. And lastly, now this is the part where the engineers have spent a lot of time with our sort of heat extractor, so to speak. What this does is it meets perfectly with the oil cooler on the new Z, and it'll allow for heat to escape, but no sort of debris or rocks or anything to hit from the front. So really smart design, and it looks cool too. Nice little sort of hex design sort of thing here we got going. So it looks great, it's functional, and yeah, I think every Z should be getting this product. It is a no-brainer. Let's get installing right now. So a few tools that you're going to need before you start this job. You are going to need a drill and a drill bit. We're needing a 14, a 17 spanners, a flat blade screwdriver, a bunch of 10 mils, so like a long socket, short socket, and then preferably some sort of 10 mil that has like a flexible head. That's going to make it much easier getting up into this top bracket around here. Other than that, those are the main parts you're going to need. So without further ado, let's get cracking. Okay, so step one, we're going to drill out the pre-existing holes. Remember kids, no safety screens. Okay, so now we're going to install the rivnuts. We're going to pull this through, and it's going to squash and mushroom this piece. So that's what's going to give us the ability to put in our bolts and secure everything down. So let's get it done. So top tip, we have found that using, if you have one, an impact, and just sending that sucker home, that helps out a lot. But at your own risk, because it is very easy to drill that too hard, too much torque, and damage it. Ready? Done.
Going forward and backwards.
Do we need them? Do we need an engineer for this?
I
don't know. We're gonna send it anyway. Okay, so you just line these up. Very simple. I like to just put a few sort of screws in place just to sort of get it held up. There's another one. And other than the rivets, it's a very easy install. And even then, the rivets weren't too hard. And we're going to quickly zip these up with a 10 mil. That is unzipping it and just going the wrong way. So don't unzip it. Alright, so next is the middle section, and have it overlap right here. So last step is our service panel. We have our bolt, spacer, and retainer. So hook in our service panel. Okay. Right. Now we have our bolt. Top tip to start with is I would place just one of these lightly through the thread so we can start over to the other side. So we have this side, our bolt, our spacer. Pop this one through here. So once you've put your spacer and everything in, it is advised just to give a little bit of pressure, a little bit of force, just to help it get in place. Done. That's a bad cough you got there, mate. Yeah, so you finished installing your Z1 Undershroud. It is now just the last moments here just to quickly do a quick bolt check, make sure everything's tight, and other than that, enjoy your new part.